Hello everyone, today we'll review a budget tablet from Samsung. It's the Galaxy Tab A8. We will test the performance and the overall quality of this device. Hit the like button and let's start. Galaxy Tab A8 2022 comes with various memory capacities. I picked up a 32GB version in grey color for $180. In the box we have tablet itself, an 8W charger with USB to USB Type-C cable, a user guide and a tool to open SD card tray. Tablet feels premium, it weighs more than 1 pound and features a metal case. We have a standard power button and volume control buttons on the side. Quad stereo speakers are located on the sides, we'll check how it sounds in the test. SD card tray to expand storage, 3.5mm jack located in the corner and Type-C port. So let's turn it on. And after setting up the system, I faced an issue with Wi-Fi. The tablet was connected to my Wi-Fi, but the speed was extremely slow. I searched it on the internet and it looks like it's a popular problem. After reading some debug tips and restarting the system several times, I don't know how, but it finally picked up the correct speed. So let's continue. Galaxy Tab A8 runs on Android 11, but it should get Android 12 update soon. The screen looks good, it's a 10.5-inch screen with a slightly more than Full HD resolution. Even though it's a TFT screen, colors look good and it's bright enough for comfortable use. Screen works on 60Hz, so you will not see these extra smooth animations as on high-end smartphones. Touchscreen is responsible, works stable. We have both a front and rear camera. The rear camera is 8 megapixels and the front is 5 megapixels. Cameras are rarely used on tablets, so these cameras have enough quality for meetings and screenshotting some notes, but nothing more. The sound is great, we have 4 speakers, and even when I cover the speakers while holding the tablet, we have a loud stereo sound, so it will be comfortable to watch movies and playing games on this tablet. And if you want to use wired headphones, it has a 3.5mm jack in the corner. We have 7000 mAh battery, which will be enough for 8 hours of casual use. Let's talk about hardware specs. This tablet features entry-level octa-core CPU. Also, this model has 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage. If you want, you can expand storage with an SD card. Apps transfer works with no problems. Overall, tablet shows good performance with multitasking and split screen feature is also available. So let's move to game performance. In 3D Mark we have a pretty solid result for a budget tablet. I downloaded a couple of games and while downloading I faced Wi-Fi issue again. It's frustrating that it just appears from nowhere. I will say it's a big con, at least from my experience. Asphalt 9 runs well on high graphics. I can tell that the tablet getting slightly warm on the back, but heat spreads across the metal case and you forget about this. PUBG high textures, the game runs good, maybe around 45 FPS, definitely playable. Android 11 supports controller, so you can play with it in some games. Overall, it is a good tablet for the price of $180. It will be a good fit for watching movies, reading and light gaming. My personal experience was not good because of the Wi-Fi issue and I don't think I would buy this model again. If you like this review, check out more videos on my channel and subscribe to see more tech content like this.